We got another unboxing after an unboxing. Literally a day after I got that, we got this. It's just let's do it. Moment of truth. This dude really packaged it in a package. I'm done. I said I must make sure this is secured. I'm dead. That's hilarious. Really put a package inside a package for me. Alright, well, time to do this again. It's hilarious. And I'm wearing the green for the occasion. Let's go. There it is. Dang, and it's in another thing. But it's clear though, so we get to see it finally. Dang. Oh my gosh, here it is. In all of its glory. Oh my gosh, I finally got a mugshot. It's so clean too. I'm excited. Well, without further ado, we gotta open this bad boy. Check out that kill hand. This is beautiful. I want to feel it first. Yep. Feels clean. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Hold on. Before I do that, put this up here. Oh wait, no. I know what I need. You guys can look at that up close. While I grab something. This thing is awesome, and I'd like to keep it awesome longer. This awesomeness needs to be shown. Alright, now I got this, so at least it's not going to get a frick ton of dog hair the second it gets in contact in my room. Boom. Finally gets on tag like this. That's awesome. And finally to open up the kill hand. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, it's freaking dead stock basically. It's so clean. Oh my gosh. It's everything I wanted and more. It's so clean. It's so puffy too. This thing is ridiculously clean. No cracking whatsoever. It's basically brand new. Oh my god, I'm excited. Well, this has been my review. Not a review, my freaking opening of basically a dead stock mugshot kill hoodie. A neon, not kill hoodie, mugshot t-shirt. Neon mugshot tee. And double XL. In flawless condition. I'm very hyped to own this. Thank you for watching.